Assalamualaikum Abdul Rahman. Hope you are doing good. I am fine. What about you, Umair? I am good. Yesterday you gave me a call and you said that you need information on laboratory designing and renovation, laboratory equipment, maintenance of laboratory equipment, validation and calibration in laboratory furniture. Yeah, for our new pharmaceutical company we are looking for professional companies who can provide us all that is required for new laboratory setup. Our company network engineering and technologies is high rate of quality work. We believe in delivering with utmost quality, keeping everything according to the scope. Our lab designing and renovation involves the planning and layout of laboratory spaces and equipment to ensure efficient and safe operations. This includes determining the size and layout of the lab, selecting and arranging equipment, and incorporating safety features such as fume hoods and emergency showers. It also involves considering factors such as ventilation, lighting, power, and data communication infrastructure. What about laboratory furniture? We offer a wide range of lab furniture including laboratory workstations, laboratory benches, laboratory stools, laboratory chairs, laboratory shelving and laboratory cabinets. All of our furniture is made from high-quality materials and is built to meet the specific needs of a laboratory. Please tell me about laboratory equipment use, supply, maintenance plans and validation and calibration. We deal in designing the quality control laboratories, supply of all types of analytical equipment like HPLC, FTIR, spectrophotometers, balances and other analytical equipment used in pharmaceutical quality control laboratories and research institutes. Their installations, training, complete backup support and maintenance is also provided to the customers. We offer after-sales service and backup support. Our qualified engineers are always ready to give technical support to our valued customers, to keep their process running smoothly. Lastly, all calibrations and validations are performed by the master calibrators of high quality and calibrated certified from an international accredited laboratory which is traceable to international standards, NIST. We have the ambition to give services with high quality and minimum time. Anything related to minerals and chemicals. We are now supplying chemicals and minerals that are mainly used in pharmaceutical, food and cosmetic industries. You guys are really doing superb job. For sure we will utilize your knowledge and professional experience in setting up our new laboratory. Please Abdul Rahman, let's have lunch in my office. Why not try food from Tando Aristan restaurant? I am too feeling little tired and hungry. I heard a lot about Tando Aristan restaurant. Let's try Turkish creamy pizza. Sure. Really enjoy the meal. Thanks for your time and hope to meet you soon with my professional team. I will take a leave. Hope to see you soon. Take care.